Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's almost 10 p.m. so I just wanted to film this update and post it today. This is the Partners in Cream update and this is gonna be a refreshment, but I'm not gonna remove all of the products that I have on this project. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the ones that I have left and then add new products that I wanna pan this year. So if you didn't know, this project pan is only about finishing cream or liquid products. It was created by Stefan Derlin. I'm gonna leave their information below. They're wonderful and a lot of my favorite YouTubers are doing this project. You can always join. I'm gonna leave everything below with the products that I'm gonna mention on this video. So without further ado, if you wanna see my Partners in Cream update, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is gonna be quite the update because I have two products that are empty and one that is an almost empty. I'm gonna consider it an empty for the purposes of bringing new products into this project. I'm gonna show you when it's empty on my empties video because I'm using it every single day, so I know it will be empty anytime soon. I'm gonna start with the excitement, so I'm gonna show you the products that I have empty. And the first one is the Chanel lipstick in the shade Secret. This one, even the sticker like fell apart. It's completely flat. I'm gonna give you close-ups of the products. I'm super happy about this. I know I will end up removing everything from the little lipstick and I'm gonna put it in a little bin that I have that I use as a lip balm for every day, and I have a mixture of balmy lipsticks and this is gonna be good to mixing with those, but I'm not gonna keep it in the project because the product is already empty. I can carry it on my purse and reapply it, and this was the most expensive lip product in my collection, so I'm pretty happy that it's done. And then I'm showing you the other product, and this is the most exciting one because this is the Urban Decay in Oil Slick. You can see that it has a little knob, but I can't use this anymore. I used it today. It's super harsh and dry, and I sharpened this till the last little bit that I could, and now it doesn't work anymore. I don't want to use it anymore. I'm gonna consider it done. You can see that that's all I have left, and this took me ages, I feel, to pan, but I used it. Today is the black liner that I'm wearing on my eyes because I used it with a brush to make a soft cat eye. I think it worked. I top it off with some eyeshadow, but this is definitely not a favorite. I prefer Perversion from the 24/7 Glide On eye pencils, but Oil Slick, if you like a shimmery black, this is a black with silver shimmer. It's pretty, it's just not a go-to of mine. So two empties that are super exciting because these products, this is basically a graveyard project pan. These are products that I've been working on for a long time. This next one, I'm gonna consider it an empty for the sake of replenishing it or just replacing it in this project with other products, but I'm gonna show it to you. It's not empty, but I've been using it every single day since my last update. Every time I'm gonna push the product out, the foundation out, the skin tint out, it just gives me a small amount, so I have to press the pump a couple times to get a little bit. So I'm using it every day to go to the gym with my SPF and a little bit of cream blush mascara, and that's it. So I've been applying it with my fingers. I'm making the most of it. This is the Kevin Aucoin Strip Nude Skin Tint, and I told you guys that this was making me more oily, but now I don't know if it's my skin, but this actually lasts for a long time now on my skin again. This is super sheer coverage. It has a more than light coverage. It's completely sheer, but it makes you look one color. I've been enjoying it so much using it with my fingers just to go to the gym. It makes me look like myself, just a little bit more awake and not so exhausted. So I really like it. I'm not gonna repurchase right now because I should go in a no-buy when it comes to foundation. I shouldn't buy any more foundation products. So this, when I started, I think it was over the V, and now it's right here. But I'm thinking about, if it doesn't push any more product out, I'm thinking about cutting it and then finishing it that way, and it wouldn't be a hassle because I've been enjoying using it. And you can see that this looks super empty, you guys. And I have another empty, and I forgot, I have here the Estila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Pigali. This one, I'm using it today on my eyes. It's basically the eyeshadow that I'm wearing, and on top I use my Master Palette by Mario, which is in my Panda palette project. I use that to do like a halo eye and then to top off a color with a color that's similar to this one. I really like this. I enjoyed it while it lasted, but it's just too old, too dried out. I had to revive it and it works fine, but I'm not gonna bother with it anymore. I have other ones that I need to finish. So this one, it's done, and this was used and abused. So what I had here wasn't that much at all. So those are basically 4 empties, and now I'm gonna show you products that I still have left on this project and that I'm gonna keep long term. Hopefully I will finish them before the year is over. The first one is the Burberry Nude Radiance Fresh Glow Highlighter. And this one I've been using so much. I always measure it with my finger right here, and it used to go till here. And now you can see that that's basically half of the product gone if you keep in mind where I started. So yeah, these I've been using. It's gonna take me a while to finish it, and I was thinking about putting in this project the Merit one because it's kind of going bad. But what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna use it on my body, and I'm not gonna put it on a project. I'm just gonna try and use it organically, and if it goes bad completely, then it'll be on my empties, and I'm gonna try and use it up. But since I started with this one, I truly want to finish this. I want to finish it, and I want to make myself finish it this year. So I'm trying to apply it underneath foundation on my cheeks. I don't waste it. I apply everything that I use on my project pans the way it's supposed to be used, and maybe new ways, but that are not wasteful. I'm not going to apply this on my legs or my body or crush it and mix it with lotion. No, I want to use it the way that it's meant to be used, as a face highlight. Yeah, I just want to focus on this one. So this is one that I started with and that I want to keep long term. And then this one, it's still working. So I haven't used it that much because I'm not that into gold eyeshadow. This is the Stila Follow the Sun Glitter and Glow, and it's a mini one, but it's still going strong. It doesn't feel dry. It feels like it's brand new. And then I only top the center of my eyelid with this one because I truly don't like super gold eyeshadow, and this is gold. It doesn't go with most of my looks, so I'm trying to use it up, and I know I will before the year is over, but I want to use it organically as well. I don't want to just put a ton of it and then feel like crap the entire day. So these two are still on the project. Hey guys, Jordana from the future here. I was editing the video and I forgot to include the Merit blush, which has been used and abused. You can see how much I've used it. This has been a favorite. I've been using it almost every single day. I've been also using it to go to the gym, and then underneath blushes and underneath powder blushes and stuff. So this one is going to be rolled out from the project, and this got a lot of love from me. I'm going to keep using it, but I want to focus on the Seattle one just to switch it up for a little while. Now for the new products, I chose 5 products. So I'm gonna keep the 7 products that I started with. I'm not gonna do 6 like the rules say that it's the number, because I don't care about numbers. I just wanna finish what I wanna finish. The first product that I have here, since I removed the Kevin Aucoin one, is the Merit. This is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I have mine. I have 2, but this one is in the shade Bisque. And these I'm not going to roll up because it's actually broken, but I will tally it on a sheet. This is almost brand new except for the dent that it has, and I love these. I really like this foundation product. I think it will be good to replace the skin tint for my everyday, for the gym, to apply with my finger only in certain areas of the face. And since Merit products tend to go bad quicker because they are more natural, more clean, then I just want to finish them because I love them so much. So yeah, this one, it's a new one and I want to finish it. Also, you guys, I have a ton of foundation products. I have so many foundations that I just want to finish about 10. I know it's not going to be possible this year, but I want to finish about 10 between now and basically March. So I know that's practically impossible, but I'm gonna do my best. Then for blush, I decided to add a blush. So this is the Seattle London Dewy Blush in the shade Coconut. This one I wanted for so long because this was a favorite of Amanda Cocoeva and I love her. I decided to pick it up when I purchased a few things from Look Fantastic. This was PR. They gave me a credit to buy some things for a video and I could choose whatever I wanted, and I wanted this so bad. So this is almost full. I haven't used it that much, and now that I'm into creams more, I want to use this up, and it's perfect to go to the gym because this is super lightweight. Even though it's sticky and dewy, it's sheer, so I'm not gonna look crazy on the gym. Since I finished the Chanel Le Rouge Coco in Secret, I wanna finish this one. This is the NARS Laguna Lip Balm, and this was a birthday gift at Sephora, and I finished the Laguna bronzer, the mini that came with this, and I found this recently because it was lost in my room, and that's all I have left. It didn't come with that much, but I just want to make sure that I finish more lip products this year because I have so many and I don't pay attention to lip products because I basically don't wear them when I'm at home, and I'm at home 99% of the time. So that's all I have left from this, but I know that I can finish it. I can also wear it every day to go to the gym because instead of lipsticks, I tend to hydrate my lips with something that has a tint to it so that I look alive even when I'm doing nothing at home. To replace Oil Slick by Urban Decay, I thought that I should add another Urban Decay eyeliner. And this is gonna be long term. I know I'm not gonna finish this. Maybe I will, but I don't think I'm gonna finish this year. But hopefully next year, like I did with Oil Slick, I used it since last year and now I finished it finally. I have here this one. This is the Urban Decay in the shade Stash. And this I actually been using more than Oil Slick because I love doing this as a full liner on top of my lashes. Instead of black, I like using this one, and this is a green. You can see it right here. This is so beautiful. It has shimmer to it, but it's basically like a camel green, and I really like this. I think this is a wonderful pencil, and it's still going strong, so I want to get the best out of it and finish it this year. And if I finish it, I will keep rotating into my project pan more Urban Decay eyeliners that I have that are colorful, that I don't wear that often. And then last but not least, I have here, this is the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. And the reason why I'm adding this one is because these, I put it in a yearly favorite about 3 years ago, I think. I wanted it so bad because everyone was talking about it, that it was super full coverage. And then when I got it, it became a favorite, and then I started to feel like I made a mistake putting it on a yearly favorites video because it's not a product that always looks great. It's not a product that will become a ride or die like my NARS one or like my Too Faced one, the Too Faced concealer. So again, this is the Huda Beauty one, and since I've been wanting to purchase the Huda Beauty new concealer that she released because this is, I think, discontinued. I have mine the shade Nougat. This one I need to just remove from my collection. I don't have a crazy amount of concealers. I have a ton now that a friend of mine sent me a lot of drugstore ones, but I don't have a ton of concealers that are my own in my personal collection that are high end. And this one is one of them, and it's getting older, and I really just want to finish it. And I've been working on it in the private project pan that I've been mentioning on other videos, that I basically have a little bin with products that I want to finish, and I tend to grab 1 or 2 a day when I'm doing my makeup. These I've been using a ton, so why not put it in an official project pan when I've been actively project panning it? So I'm gonna squeeze it and see how much I have left. So I'm squeezing it. Nothing is coming out, nothing is coming out, nothing is coming out. Okay, right here. So I'm basically at the T of Huda Beauty when it starts to come out. So right here, you can see. I don't think I have that much left, but again, you only need the tiniest amount because this is super full coverage, and if you over apply it, then you will look cakey and crazy. So I sometimes use it as a base for my eyeshadow, but mostly I put it right here, and in the center of my face to highlight, and it works fine. If I finish this, I wouldn't feel so bad about purchasing the new one that I want to purchase, but honestly, I just want to finish another makeup product and remove it from my collection that it's been basically was neglected for a long time. When I started using it this year, I had over double the amount that I have now. So that's why I wanted to put it in this project pan to make it a more exciting for you guys to see more empties. But I'm gonna make myself finish this up this year. Okay, you guys, so that's it for the update and the refreshment. I'm super excited that I added these products into this project. The only thing that I know it's gonna be long term, or that I feel like it's gonna be long term, is the eyeliner by Urban Decay. But the rest of the products that I added, maybe the blush too, but the rest of the products I think I'm gonna be able to finish this year. 90% of the products that I have here, I think I'm gonna be able to finish this year, and that's gonna take a huge chunk of makeup from my collection, and I couldn't be happier that I will get to that thanks to this project. So that's it, you guys. Before you go, everything that I love from this project and that is still available, I will leave it linked below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It helps a ton. I'm doing project panning content a lot. I have a panda palette. I'm gonna do a level up project. I have the Partners in Cream project pan, and next year I'm gonna do more project pans in a way that I still rotate my collection. I'm even doing a shop my stash project pan, which I have a usage goal of using 10 products a month, 5 times each, and then rotating it monthly. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out also Stefan Delin and everyone that's doing this Partners in Cream project pan. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.